Go ahead. 11.9 is voltage dropping to 11.98. 12 point back is climbing back up to 12.3. Nothing's happening. So we have this Volvo here, and it needs a starter. So we already tested it out, and we were praying and hoping it ain't the starter, but it is. Look at that. So we gotta battle against this, take this bracket off, and really just try to get to it. So good thing we're in the shade. Battery's disconnected. Start trying to fish out these bolts. Oh boy. So right here, there's one bolt right there. There's another bolt up there on the side and another one on the top. So we got all these wires off already on the smaller solenoid. The cables, battery cables from right there and also right there. So now I'm getting this one loose. This one is, these bolts are 18 millimeters. So yeah, I'm trying to avoid these lines here, and we're gonna try and just let this starter fall out from right here at least. So this is on a dump truck, so it's a different application, that's why. So, alrighty, so we got that bolt out, and then also the bolt that's over there, as you can see, it's out. But the top bolt up here is all the way over here, so I'm gonna flip it and try and see it. It's all the way right there. My goodness. So they always got everything I need. I don't always like coming over here all the time and spending a lot of money, but I need it in this situation, so it's gonna cut it. Oh man, look who it is. So getting the ratchet, and I'm getting the tool right here to be able to get that 18 millimeter off. With that 18 millimeter, this will be able to get it if I just kind of try to stick it up there. If not, I'm going to try and do this one, use a ratchet. I lost my pink one from before, so we'll see how that goes. So that's pretty much all. So let's see if it works. See the volume. See what I'm talking about? See, I'm going to get it from with the ratchet. Underneath here, you'll be able to kind of angle it underneath there to be able to get it off, that last bolt. So you get that last bolt, you fish it from up here and you put it up there, and that's how you're gonna get it. Okay. So able to turn it, get it in there, and then turn it. There we go. So that's how it'll be. So it's stuck at the last turn. It's a boy! Woo! It's a boy! Because they're difficult. Look at that. That's the bolt that we're sitting on instead. Alright. Alright, yes sir. Look at that. It's beauty. greased up and everything. It's all good. So pretty simple, not really. 3 bolts, one there, one behind, extension, all that good stuff. So what you will need is everything here. I put away the tools that were necessary. This will get you to get that tight. If you need to get that bolt that's stuck tight, you're gonna need this one too to get this off. Plenty extensions to get that. You're gonna need the small one. You're gonna need a flex head ratchet. You're gonna need these for the wires on the solenoid. You're gonna need this 19mm to get to the positive and negative wires. And if it's not for your comfortable liking, you can use this style. And then 18 for the bolts and everything 18 that you can freaking find for those starter bolts. That's pretty much what you're gonna use for this.